When you're shopping at your local nursery for houseplant stuff, I know it looks like they need a lot of things, but really there's just three basics. One, make sure that you have appropriate light levels for the houseplant you're growing. Two, water it with the right amount of water. And three, occasionally fertilize with appropriate fertilizer. If fertilizer gives you fits, just follow the instructions on the label. More is not better.